Hello students, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever the time you're watching this video. So here in the topic soil resources, which is the part of your second chapter of geography, land, soil and water resources. So in this we are going to study about soil forms. Soil forms the upper layer of Earth's crust. The soil is responsible for the formation of Earth's upper layer, that is crust. It is made up of loose rock fragments. So soil is made up of loose rock fragments and organic matter. Most of the food items like rice, wheat, pulses, fruit, vegetables are obtained from plants that grow on soil. So these all are obtained from soil. Without soil these things can't grow. Soil also sustains forests, which give us firewood, timber, rubber, fiber and many other valuable products. So many of the products such as timber, rubber, fiber, these all valuable products are taken from forests, and forests are possible because of soil. Besides, soil plays a major role in satisfying our aesthetic sensibilities. Our human nature, which looks at the beautiful things, and beautiful things, those can be flowers, those can be tree, grass and other sceneries. So imagine, they are writing here, imagine how dreary our world would be without flowers, trees and grass. If flowers, grass, trees are not there, what will you look? And how this world will look? It will be dreary. Dreary means it will be boring. Soil formed when rocks broken up into fine powder. When soil is formed when rocks broken up into powder. When rocks broken up into powder, when the rocks converted into powder, how this powder is created? By weathering, erosion and get mixed with organic matter. So due to weathering, due to erosion, this kind of soil powder or rock powder can be formed due to weathering, erosion and get mixed with organic matter. Soil formation is a very slow process. Soil formation is very slow process. A layer of soil only a few centimeters thick may take thousands of years to be formed. If you are thinking about few centimeters of soil layer, it may take thousands of years to be formed. Uppermost layer of soil, if you are talking about uppermost layer of the soil or the top soil, so here we are talking about the uppermost layer of the soil or the top soil is fine. It has a lot of humus. Humus is organic matter derived from partly decomposed plant and animal remains in soil. So humus are created by partly decomposed plant and animal remains in the soil. Beneath this layer lies the subsoil. Under the topsoil there is subsoil. The subsoil consists of coarse particles of weathered rock and very little humus. The subsoil consists of coarse particles. So the subsoil is made up of coarse particles, rough particles. Those rough particles, coarse particles are made up of weathered rocks and very little humus is present there. Below the subsoil is a layer of large chunks. There is a layer of large chunks. The part you can call them the pieces of rocks, weathered rocks, pieces of pebbles of weathered rocks, and below that is the bedrock. Below this subsoil there is a bedrock. What is bedrock? Hard, tightly packed rock through which water cannot seep. Bedrock is hard, tightly packed. It is a structure of hardly packed rocks through which water cannot seep. So water cannot pass through these rocks. The different layers of soil are known as horizons. So these different layers of the soil are called horizons. So this complete vertical sequence of horizons is known as soil profile. So this complete vertical sequence of horizons is known as soil profile. Thank you all. Hope you enjoyed the video.